We're taking a look at the pipe probe, a versatile and multi-use tool that comes standard in LeakTronics plumbing, Pro Complete, irrigation, and PG2 complete kits. The device is ergonomically designed to function in a number of instances. With the soil probe completely connected, listening under lawns, dirt, soil, aggregate, and landscaping is easy. Just connect the cable from the device to the LT1000 amplifier and begin listening. If you're mapping and tracing where lines are underground using the PG2 pulse generator, you'll easily identify the pulsating sound radiating from the pipe, allowing you to hone in on the exact location of where it's buried. As you come closer to the precise location of the leak, the sound it makes will increase, and by using the probe, you'll know just where it is. When we take the probe down to its shorter length, the device works like a wand. It becomes easy to listen on stub-ups, angle stops, under-sink plumbing, and on pipes where there's limited space to maneuver. With the sensitive pointed tip, you'll easily make contact with the pipe and hear the sounds you're looking for. The device also includes 2 listening discs. The larger disc is incredibly convenient when listening under solid surfaces, floors, decking, or for sub-slab leaks. By attaching the disc in place of the pointed tip on the probe, your device will operate much the same way a deck plate does. The disc can also be assembled directly onto the pipe probe's handle. This allows you to use the probe like a stethoscope. The second disc that comes standard with the probe is the magnetic disc. When attached to the probe's handle, you can easily mount the probe to a metal pipe or surface. This includes hydrants, gas fittings, or any metal surface where magnetism can be applied. By placing it onto the surface and going hands-free, you're completely reducing handling noise that might otherwise occur. The pipe probe, like all LeakTronics listening equipment, attaches directly to the LT1000 amplifier using an XLR plug and phantom power, offering the most highly sensitive listening experience of any equipment on the market today. You'll find the pipe probe in all of the complete leak detection kits from LeakTronics, and you'll find it to be your #1 go-to tool for finding leaks fast. Learn more by visiting LeakTronics.com today.